Ah, belly rub, belly rub, belly rub. And everybody else is just swarming me. You guys are licking me like never before. Oh, my goodness. My hand is stuck. My hand is stuck, silly. Boop. There you go. See, it's fun to have a belly rubs. It's fun. Crazy paws, crazy paws, crazy paws. Ow. Ow. Excuse me. Ow. No, that hurts. And just look at these little tiny scrunched faces. Oh my goodness. All right, hey, boop, 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 for you. Are you scared of the sun? That's right, we forgot your sunscreen, huh? Hi! You guys are some smiley puppers, aren't you? And some whinies. Come here! You can do it! Come on! Come on, come on, come on! This way! Hey, 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 no whiny babies over here. Come on! Come on! Oh my gosh. The way they're all huddled together, this is so cute. Hi guys. That's right. Oh my goodness. Well, if they would be quiet for a second, I could tell you. But these are Moose's puppies. So if you guys remember Moose, he was one of Daisy and Nike's puppies. He was the stud to these litter of puppies right here. Hi, it's okay. And this is the first time I'm ever meeting them. Super, super cute. Hi! They are so noisy right now. Hi! It's so nice to meet you. Maybe we should get your mamas in here. Holy moly, you guys are excited, huh? Go! Oh my goodness. Get him, Daisy, get him, Nike. Nike got the first egg. Good job, buddy. You get some treats in there. Good job. Nike got a big treato. Good job, buddy. I don't know who's winning. Guys, over this way. What are you guys waiting for? Oh, that's not a treat, silly. That's a part of the kennel. Here we go. So without the toys, guys, they just have all their attention focused on me. So this will help them not chew on my socks. You're like putting the whole thing in your mouth, silly. Hi, come on. One step after another. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on. We're almost to the end. You're doing so good. Look. Oh, you little whiny babies. Who wants to go first? I'm gonna assume you, because you haven't gotten up yet. Oh, big yawn. I think that calls for belly rubs. Ready? I'm gonna hold you. Hey, you move out the way. And you move out the way. Everybody's just hoarding over here. Hey, you move out the way. Okay, well, this is not gonna work. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wakey, wakey, hi. Come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. We gotta get exploring, we gotta move around. We gotta learn what the living room is. Or at least just get off the blanket. I think that's definitely a no. Except for maybe you, you're squirming around. Probably just trying to get comfy, huh? I thought so. Come on. Where they at? Go find them. Dig them out. Dig them out. Where they at? Come on, Nike. Where they at? You can find them. Come on. There you go. Good job, buddy. Oh, there's a big donut in there. Oh, Daisy got the donut. I guess we're gonna take a water break first. There's some water, Daisy. So the dogs clearly love the Easter egg hunt. They are running around like crazy. But I think that's all the treats. Are you guys gonna sniff any more out, huh, buddy? That was really, really good. All right, guys, so that's Dakota right there. Come here, sweetie. Come on, do you wanna feed your puppies? Come here. And we already met. I introduced myself to her. So we're gonna try to feed some puppies. Come here, sweetie. I know they're noisy. There you go. There you go. All right, so we're gonna try to get her to lay down and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. There's our mama. Hi, Dakota. It's nice to meet you. And it's nice to have you on Life with Labradors. Oh my goodness. Well, now we got some peace and quiet. Everybody's trying to find their way in there. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. This is so crazy. These guys were just born within the last 12 to 24 hours. And they're already kind of crawling around. Army crawling. Just look at their faces. Somebody trying to get comfy, huh? Say hello. Alrighty, so we've got our Tiffany blue collar female here. She is sniffing around like crazy. We're gonna try to be extra quick here just so that way we don't cause any harm to these puppies, but they are so brand new. It is so crazy to see. Hi, buddy. Wakey, wakey, hi. Yeah, I know it's hard to wake up when you're getting all these pets. Then you're on the warm, cozy blanket. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Who do we have here? So this is the one that's making all of the noise. Hi. Welcome to your first video. I gotcha. Look at those eyes. So you guys are what, 3, 4 weeks old, huh?
There you go.
You guys are some smiley puppers, aren't you? And some whinies. Well, this is very organized, and you are not. There's tug of war. Go, go, go. Got it. Got it. Grr, grr. Oh, there you go. Glad I could help. Oh my goodness. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness. There we go. Down to 2. You lost. Are you guys gonna be good doggos? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Daisy, good girl. Oh, Nike, you're upset, huh? Look, it's empty, dude. It's empty now. They're all empty. All right, everybody. Well, it seems like our doggos are pretty worn out. Bear, what do you think, dude? Huh? You say hi to the cameras. You say hi to the cameras. Hey, no, no, no. And you say hi to the cameras. Have you said hello? This is our little yellow collar. Hi. So cute. They're so cute. They're little milk fiends, huh? Oh no, did you lose your spot? Look right here. Eden is a very, very sweet doggo, but she absolutely needs all of her attention, so I've been petting her the entire time while trying to film these puppies for you guys. So let's give a big shout out to Eden. Right, Eden, you're a sweetheart, huh? As long as I'm petting you. But these puppies are so cute. Eden has done an amazing, amazing job. There you go, good girl, lay down. It's nice to meet you. What are you guys doing, wrestling? Is he trying to beat you up? Is he trying to beat you up? Oh my goodness. We got some vocal puppies. We got some vocal puppies. Hi. You learning your barks? No, I don't have any milks. Oh my goodness. You guys are getting feisty. Bless you. Oh my gosh. So I guess we'll just wait and see how long it takes these puppies to run out of energy. You're just laying on the ground. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Somebody's working very hard. Whoa, that was fast. Look at you. Full extension. That's great. Good job. This will be their very first toys ever. And something in me tells me that they're gonna do just fine. Oh no! You've got a skunk in your mouth. Oh no! Whoa. What's that? What's that? It's a squeaker! Look. Man, you guys just don't know how to act, huh? You're doing a great job, though. Run away! Huh?
Asking you shall receive. Like she's about to go.
Well, what do you think of this beautiful day, huh? Guys, the weather here in Phoenix this time of year is just perfect. It's like 70 degrees today, so it's not too hot for them. It's actually just perfect, right? Well, I think our little buddy fell asleep while he's milking. There you go, buddy. Back on it, back on it. We need this little puppers. It's all turned upside down. You can get some milks. Here, let me help you out. There you go. And thank you, Eden, for letting us hang out with your puppies. You're patiently waiting. For what? Not even interested in the ball, but I bet you if I put my foot right here. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. Uh-oh, somebody wants their first belly rubs, huh? I'm surprised how much these guys are wiggling around and moving. They are all super, super healthy. Ain't that right? You're just going the wrong way, cutie. We need to put you back in the pile. There's all your sisters. And same with you. Back to the warm, cuddly pile. Finally! Go, go, go! Oh my goodness. Well, that was pretty good. Really good. Yes! You guys are like passing it back and forth to each other, huh? Come back, come back. Oh, somebody wants some attention. Somebody wants some attention. How about we give it to you? Hi. Hi. Oh, everybody else wants attention now too, huh? Everybody else. Hi, cutie. Oh, you're so sweet. You are a sweetheart. Hi. Gotcha. 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 The claw. Okay. Yes. 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 Thank you so much, and a big thank you to Eden for sharing her puppies with us. You're such a sweetheart. She's done such a great job. But make sure you guys give a big thumbs up, subscribe to Laugh with Labradors so you guys never miss a video. We'll have a lot of fun videos coming up with these guys, so make sure you're staying tuned. But for now, Eden, we're saying pause out.